is a simple video showing the ignition switch of Isuzu F series old model FRR33, FVZ23, FVR23, FTS. This is the ignition system of the following vehicles. So this is a new packet. Not sure whether branding will allow this, but I do these advertisements for the sales on GG platform, since I have the products, or I can resell the products for the specified company. So let me open this first so we can continue with a simple clarification. So it's open. So the ignition system of Isuzu basically has three things. This is the ignition barrel. This is the ignition switch assembly. It contains the ignition barrel and the socket. This is the socket. So it's an 8-pin socket. There's two keys: the original Isuzu key and the spare key. There's two door locks. As you know, most trucks, the ignition key should open the door locks. So this is a left and right door lock. This the tags they represent the side which the two door locks are used. So basically that's all about the ignition system. There's a barrel, ignition key, and the two door locks for Isuzu F series model.